DMP A6 came with this little screwdriver. So you just unscrew this. This is the locking mechanisms. Gently pull it out from there. I'm using this Samsung 970 EVO Plus 2 terabyte drive. If you are not used to these kind of stuff, if you look at it here, there's a little divider right here. Just match the little divider with this little opening. You just slide it in. Push it down and lock it. I hope you can see it. Design is very nice. They made it really easy